Good day, guys. Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is Okai Kimula. We all know our struggle. We all know that we are losing money in this forex market, and we keep on surrounding ourselves with negative people. We keep on surrounding ourselves with people that don't believe anything. I would say, start believing. Forex is real. Forex is here to help us generate money. You just need a better tool, a better indicator that will assist to generate money in this market. So I have the tool. I have something that is gonna help you, something that is gonna generate a lot of money for you. This is the thing that I will proudly say, just purchase, grow your account, start making a better living. We're waking a lot of people, a lot of guys, let me just say majority of people are waking up every day in the morning, 5 o'clock. You are on your way to work only to earn a little as 6,000. That is something that you can generate each and every day. So, guys, join Forex, join the movement. Let us make money together. Let us generate money each and every day. You can see there, I made at least 500 USD with that spike. You can also do it. You can also do it. What are you waiting for? What's up, Kim?